And on monthly time frame, look at these candles for April and May. Ethereum in April time had a very strong hammer candle with a big shadow to the downside, and in May time the candle is going to close in the next few days with about 50% raise to the upside. Actually, this trend line is connecting the previous highs on weekly time frame for Ethereum, but after October, if Ethereum reach to that, the target is going to be above $8,000. Hello and welcome back to my trading, educational and analytical videos. Hope you are doing well. If we check Ethereum on daily time frame, I did mention Ethereum is playing inside this falling channel to the downside, and the price about $1,500 is going to be the bottom for Ethereum, because we had a very important support area in 2023 about $1,500 for Ethereum, and now this time that area worked as a support as well. And according to this double top we have got in here, $1,500 was the target for this double top, but at the moment the Ethereum price reached to the 200 daily moving average. This is the second time it's testing that, and I think we are going to see a rejection to the downside. According to daily chart we have got, this might be a double top for Ethereum, and we see a rejection to the downside to about the previous support we have got, which is about $2,200 area. But on weekly time frame, if Ethereum breaks to the downside to about $2,200, because the weekly candles in the past 3 weeks actually closed above the 20 MA, we need to see a bounce to the upside, and at the end of the week close the candle above $2,340. We have got a very important trend line in here, but I'm expecting Ethereum to break this one to the upside in the next few weeks. The price about $2,900 to about $3,000 is a very important resistance in front of Ethereum, because this trend line used to work as an important support and now is a very important resistance at the moment. But because the cryptocurrencies are so volatile, I'm expecting this trend line get broken in the next few weeks. And according to this chart we have got in here, it looks like Ethereum is playing inside this broadening wedge. And as you can see on the picture, the target of that is calculating from the bottom to the resistance line we have got. If Ethereum in the next few weeks and months can break above the $4,000 resistance, the target of the broadening wedge is going to be around $9,900. Before we go on another chart and check Ethereum on monthly time frame, please take a second of your time and press the like button and subscribe to our channel. I really appreciate it. And on monthly time frame, look at these candles for April and May. Ethereum in April time had a very strong hammer candle with a big shadow to the downside, and in May time the candle is going to close in the next few days with about 50% raise to the upside. And because of these two candles we have got in here, I'm expecting the next few months are going to be very bullish for Ethereum. There is a target I have got in here for October time for Ethereum to about $8,000. Depends when Ethereum can actually contact this trend line we have got in here. If I switch this chart to the weekly time frame, you can understand this trend line much better. Actually, this trend line is connecting the previous highs on weekly time frame for Ethereum, and that gives us a very important resistance line. And in my opinion, if Ethereum about August or September reach to this trend line, the price is around $7,000. But after October, if Ethereum reach to that, the target is going to be above $8,000. As always, let me know what you expect. Thank you so much for the support on the recent video. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one.